story.
Okay.
What happened was, just standing here, getting a shush. What are you even doing? Oh my gosh, Mon, you're not mopping. Oh my gosh.
I'm just mopping it so much.
What happened was, I was eating my Ferrero Rocher. Yum. and
Be careful.
I was eating after unwrapping my Ferrero Rocher.
Okay. Please don't.
And Mon dropped the yogurt. She's been crying for the past hour. Then she started crying because there was cat food on the floor, and I thought there was actually something wrong with her.
Cat food mixed with my yogurt.
Not bad.
This is the worst day of my life.
And Marco just licking
Marco
his...
tried to lick it.
And then she started crying about that too. Hey.
He might die now.
He's not gonna die from yogurt. Yogurt's like fruit and like mushed up little stuff.
Milk.
Yes.
And drink milk. That's good. He's good.
Yeah, it's good for him, Mon. You should just make him drink the whole thing. But now, you know, Mon dropped it so far that it got into the other room. I'm sorry, this camera's not that cool. It can't zoom. Yeah.
I'm so sad. I was so looking forward to it. I was like, Jess, don't make sure you don't drop it.
And then she did. She's not used to this kind of thing, guys. She's normally the one who doesn't drop it. I'm normally the one who does drop it.
I never drop anything.
So, I can be like, ha ha ha, because I didn't drop it.
Shut up, bitch. You're not mopping it up either.
I did my fair share.
Well, mop it now because it's
Okay.
dry.
Bye bye, guys.
No!
Oh, okay.
Have to be here with me the whole time, guys.
That's the yogurt.
That's amazing, good yogurt.
Mom was like crying because there's like
So it
nothing
smells like
left.
smoke.
Oh,
Oh
sorry,
my god,
guys.
isn't my house like on fire as well? It's been the worst day of my life.
If the house was on fire, that would actually be a big deal, but yogurt's not on.
It's not funny.
It's not.
It's not, really, it's not. Can you see the yogurt?
Ew, it's on my feet.
I know.
And Mom's.
There, you see that mass chunk? I'm gonna go get it. No! Ew, it's like between the cracks of the floor and you can't get it.
Yeah, it's between the cracks.
Oh my
Of
God,
the floor.
well. And it's like on the wall as well. I can't believe I got it on the wall.
It's in a pot too.
It's not in a pot, it will be though. I'll put you in a pot.
Yeah, her mum's gonna come home and be like, what's that in the pot? Oh, just some yogurt.
Shut up, you probably will. She'll find it like somewhere we didn't find it.
Yeah, like a
It's
crack.
on,
She'll be like,
show them the shoes, show
"That's
them the shoes.
yogurt." Okay.
You guys have to see, it's funny.
That's not meant to be part of the shoes. That's actually yogurt. Yuck! Yuck! Shut up!
Yogurt's beautiful.
Well, there you go.
Jess, you have to wash my shoes for me.
Worst, what's today? Is it 2nd of May ever?
Ever.
I hope you had a good 2nd of May and people weren't passing rockets out of your street and stuff. Like Fred.
Oh, isn't that the 4th of May?
Yeah, 4th of July.
Oh,
Excuse me.
sorry.
I'm seeing 52 flicks on the 4th of July.
I am too! Am I coming?
You are too. Yeah, you can come.
That's what we said last time, and then we told everyone to come to 2 flakes.
No one will come. Yes, you can come with me. Oh, yum.
Yes, we can.
Anyway, we're gonna go. Bye. Hope you had a good. I hope you had a good 2nd of May. Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Jess, I think there's yogurt in the scarf.
Really? Oh my god, that would be so sad. Bye.